What's up, everyone? Today we're reviewing Revid AI, formerly known as Typeframes, an AI video generator that promises to create viral short form content from TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube with just a few clicks. But does it actually deliver, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Let's dive in. So, Revid AI is an all in one platform designed for social media creators to make short form videos without any editing skills or material. You pick a template, add some inputs, and the AI generates your video automatically. They claim it's perfect for creating viral content quickly. The platform offers AI script generation, voiceover creation, video editing, and even a library of over 3 million viral TikToks for inspiration. It sounds pretty comprehensive on paper. In terms of pricing structure, Revid AI offers a free plan with 70 welcome AI credits. But there's a catch. You can't export the videos on the free plan. You can only use the editor. Their paid plan starts at $39 a month. The Growth plan gives you 2,000 AI credits per month, access to all features, AI video creation, and voice generation. They also offer higher tier plans with more credits for heavy users. The platform is a legitimate software. It's not a scam in the sense that it exists and does generate videos. Some users praise its ease of use and the ability to create content quickly without technical skills. The template library is extensive, and the AI voice generation quality is decent for social media content. Here's where things get concerning. User reviews are heavily mixed, and many complaints are serious. On Product Hunt, users describe the service as misleading and reports issues with credits being consumed unfairly, irrelevant video content that doesn't match their inputs, and unfulfilled promises from the company. Trustpilot reviews reveal even harsher criticism. Multiple users call it a scam with zero customer service and complain that their monthly credits aren't sufficient to make proper videos. One reviewer specifically stated that the AI is dramatically dumb and the value is garbage. The credit system is a major complaint. Users report burning through credits quickly, making videos that don't meet expectations, and feeling trapped in monthly subscriptions that don't deliver value for money. Customer service appears to be a significant weakness. Multiple reviewers mention zero response to support questions, which is a huge red flag for any paid software service. Like all AI tools, the output quality varies significantly. Many users report that AI generated content requires substantial human review and refinement. You're not getting professional quality videos straight out of the box. You're getting AI drafts that often need heavy editing. Is it a scam? Technically, no. Revid AI is a real software that generates videos. But is it worth your money? That's highly debatable. The company delivers a product, but based on user reviews, it often doesn't deliver the value they promised in marketing. The final verdict? Revid AI isn't a complete scam, but it has serious quality and customer service issues that make it a risky investment. For $39 a month, you might be better off with alternatives like CapCut, Descript, or even learning basic editing skills yourself. If you must try it, start with the free plan. Expect to do manual editing and don't believe the viral video hype. Real viral content requires strategy, not just AI generation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.